so let's share with you the ingredients that we use to make this a higher protein, low carb French toast. So we use this old time 647 bread. If you notice, it has 6 net grams of carbs, 40 calories, and 8 grams of fiber. Then we use the Fairlife milk. It's 50% less sugar, 13% protein per serving, and it doesn't have any artificial hormones. We're going to use 2 teaspoons of sugar. You're more than welcome to use honey, agave, any sweetener you like. In our family, we don't like the aftertaste, so we just choose to use lower or minimize the portion control. And then we have some cinnamon, and that's going to be 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And then we choose to use Land O'Lakes brown eggs because there's 70 calories in egg, and eggs are high in protein. So these are ingredients. You notice there's not a lot of the ingredients, and then we will finally show you the finished product. And if you know each of these products, we have used our couponing tips with them. Okay, we have our 2 eggs, our cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and now we're going to whisk. Okay, so we have our batter now mixed, and I have my 4 servings of 647 bread. It's the whole wheat bread. They also have a Italian bread. It's just 10 calories higher. And I divide them in half diagonally. So you'll notice here. And then I put some Challenge butter, the spreadable butter with the canola oil in the pan to help it brown. Remember my tip of the Challenge butter 4/4. They have that coupon inside, so make sure you utilize that coupon there. Always have to give a couponing tip. So I'm going to take the bread, you just dip it in, don't let it submerge, and then you're going to make sure your pan is pretty warm, and then just put in your bread to cook. So you just flip it in. And you put in as many as your pan can fit, while you also have room to turn over your French toast. So I think I can put in 3 pieces here. And you'll just let it cook. Okay, so this is the finished product. You'll notice we have 2 slices each, and this is 2 tablespoons or 2 servings of egg whites, which calculates into calories, 50 calories of egg whites, and then I just split it between the 2 of us, and 2 slices of bacon. So we are going to enjoy our brunch on a Sunday. Hope you enjoy Happenings with the Howards. If you have not clicked a like, comment, please do, and make sure you subscribe. Enjoy.